everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can pit two bots against each other on chess.com, so let's get right into it. Now, for this, you'll be pitting bots against each other in two windows, or rather, you're going to be a medium between them, since there is no way to create a game with just two bots, so you'll have to create two tabs. So let me just open up a second tab. As you can see now, I have two tabs on chess.com, and I'm going to select play computer on one. And for this one, I'm gonna, well, it is currently in game with Caligula. I don't know why it is still here. Let me just resign quickly. Let me just create a new bot, and I'll select, why not Caligula again. Select the bot that you want, select the difficulty. I'll just click assisted and select, for the first bot, you want to select black. And then for the second bot, we're gonna go play and go into computer. Then from there, again, select the bot that you want. In my case, I'll select, I don't know, Caesar, for example. No thanks. Click choose Caesar, click assisted again, and make Caesar play as white. And then you're just going to click play on Caesar and then play on Caligula. Now we're going to make sure to watch Caligula's first move. In this case, it was pawn d4. In my case, I'm going to do the same, pawn d4. And now see what Caesar replies with. He replies with pawn d5. And do the same here versus Caligula, pawn d5. And as you can see, you can just copy Caligula's moves in the game with Caesar, and you can copy Caesar's moves to the game with Caligula, and that's pretty much how you get to set two bots against each other. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.